Hello and welcome to AMN Academy. Today the topic we are going to discuss is the equation of motion. We are going to derive first equation of motion graphically. Let's have a look on this graph. This is velocity time graph. We are taking time on x-axis and velocity on y-axis because time is an independent quantity, so it has been taken on x-axis. Now consider a body is moving in a straight line with some initial velocity, that is vi. After some time t, by the virtue of acceleration that has been produced in its velocity becomes final, that is vf. So we are going to derive the first equation of motion with the help of acceleration, and we are going to calculate acceleration a, that is equal to the slope of the line AB. Slope of line AB. What is the formula of slope? We can calculate the slope by rise over run. Rise over run. Or we can say perpendicular over base. So what is our rise? That is BC. What is our run? That is AC. Now if you have a look on this graph, what is BC actually? BC, the value of BC we can calculate by BD minus CD. Total minus the portion of CD, we can have BC. BC is equals to BD minus CD. So we can calculate BD minus CD instead of BC. BD minus CD. What is the value of AC? AC is a parallel line to OD, and OD is time t. So AC is equals to OD. I am writing OD instead of AC. Now the value of BD is final velocity. From here to here, that is final velocity, that is BD. So VF minus what is CD? That is initial velocity, VI. What is OD? OD is time. So that is the formula of acceleration, that is change in velocity with respect to time. Final velocity minus initial velocity with respect to time. So that is acceleration. Now further moving on, we are going to multiply that quantity on the both sides of the equation. We'll get A into T is equals to VF minus VI over T multiplied by T. T cuts with T, we can have AT is equals to VF minus VI. Now further moving on, let me make a partition line so I can write the other remaining part here. Now AT is equals to VF minus VI. So what is our first equation of motion? Basically that is VF is equals to VI plus AT. So the next step is to adding to this initial velocity, this quantity on both sides of the equation. We can say AT plus VI is equals to VF minus VI plus VI. What I did, I just added the quantity initial velocity on the both sides of the equation. Now VI minus VI plus VI cancel out each other. Now AT plus VI is equals to VF. Rearranging this equation, final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus the product of acceleration into time. What is this? That is our first equation of motion and very useful for calculating the final velocity. I hope you like my video. For the other two equations of motion, stay tuned. Goodbye.